As gardeners, we all need tools to get the job done, and having the right tool for the job is very important. Another important thing that we might slack on or forget about quite often is the upkeep of our tools. Now, every gardener needs a good set of hand pruners. These are some Coronas here, or some bypass or loppers. These are very important for when we're pruning trees, and wintertime is a great time to do that. In addition, wintertime, especially when it's cold and dreary outside, is an excellent time to clean those tools. Now, some of those things that you're going to need in order to clean your tools are, first, you can use a sandpaper. So you see here that we've got a lot of rust on these hand pruners. This is 100 grit, can be used on metal to get all that rough rust off of there. You can also use either nylon brushes or steel brushes. You can also use these non-scratch scouring pads. And what you want to do is use a penetrating oil like this 3-in-1 oil or this penetrating liquid wrench. You can actually spray. You want to spray those nuts and bolts that actually have the movement, the spring. You can see all that coming off. Now, one other thing that we're going to do once we've cleaned these and wiped these down is we can sharpen those blades. So use this winter time to get those garden tools clean. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.